Here's eco mode to our auto mode to turbo mode. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the DreameTech T20 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. This is an all-in-one cordless vacuum cleaner, perfect for pet hair, carpet, hard floors, your car. Features one battery and 25 kPa super strong suction with 70 minutes of runtime. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here. Very nice retail box. I love the product imagery on the front. I think it looks really nice. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all our package contents. First up, we have our user guide and manual, followed by some quick start instructions, installation, charging, product overview. Then you can see in the back we have our maintenance tips and again our cautions to follow. We have our mounting template sticker right here. So this is for our 2-in-1 charging and storage mount. Here's the hardware for that. 2 screws, 2 wall anchors. Here's the 2-in-1 mount itself. So you can take a look at that from both sides. Set that back down. Then you can see our charger right here. Multiple attachments depending on what you're trying to accomplish and clean. With a nice flexible extension right there. Then you can see we have another attachment as well. Then we have the rest of the vacuum cleaner in 3 key pieces. Here you go. Check out the nice red finish on this. It looks great. Really sharp looking with the gray accents on it. So that's going to be the main body of our vacuum. Here's the bottom portion. So you can see it says Smart Adaptive. Then we can flip it over to the bottom side. Smart Multi-Brush Bar right here. Looks great. You can see the wheels on it. How it's going to work. There's the wheels on the back side too. And then here we go. We have the top of our vacuum, the handle. So you can see cyclone separation technique right there. Check it out from that side. Here it is head on. Here it is from the other side. You can see our battery is already installed. We can push to release if necessary. Here it is from the back side with our HD screen right there. Then we can go to a top view of it. You can see the Dreame logo and branding right there. Here's a bottom view as well. You can see we have more instructions right there on the back of the battery showing us how to release the compartment. We also have a lever right here as well too, so you can see that. Opens it up for you. Very, very nice. Then we can just clip it back into place. You can see our trigger right there as well too. We can activate the vacuum and you can see our plug to charge it up. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything assembled. Installation's very simple and straightforward. Just choose the attachment that you want to install. In this case, we'll install the main attachment right here, our Smart Multi-Brush Bar. So you can see on this, we have 2 pins on the bottom. We'll have to be sure to line them up right here. You can see the holes for them. And then same thing for the other side, we have 2 pins. That's gonna go attach to our handle right there. So we can go ahead, let's just line it up. Let's start with the brush. And that just snaps right into place. Now everything's been installed. It's all set and ready to go. Now we can repeat that installation for the handle right here. Same thing, just line the pins up. It snaps in place. And now we have successfully set up our vacuum cleaner and we're ready to start using it. Disassembly is very easy. Just push the buttons, pull out to release. Now we're ready. We could attach something else. So in this case, we could go ahead. We can just attach stuff if we want directly to the main part of the vacuum handle. There we go. Now we could use that, or we could use the extensions if necessary. Again, we have tons of different options. So we could just clip that right in place if we want to go clean our car, or we could use the included extension as well. And we can just snap that in. And then same thing right here. There we go. Now we have a really long extension for some deep cleaning. Now let's go ahead. Let's try this out. So first up, we're going to clean some wood floor right here. Let's go ahead. Let's fire up the vacuum. So we have it on right now. We can adjust our settings too. We're at turbo. We can bring it down to eco for that long battery life as advertised. You can go up to auto if you want a combination of performance and battery life. And then again, we can quickly push it to turbo mode when necessary. And then back to eco. Rolls really nice on our floors. Picking up dirt and debris. Little pieces of rocks, gravel from the outside, pet hair. We have our battery level and status indicator. We're at 97% right now. Now we're going to clean on this rug, so we can go ahead, turn it on. We're in our eco settings again. If you need more power for your carpet or rugs, again, just choose whatever mode you desire to get a better clean, to pick up more dirt and debris. And here is our turbo mode. Really got strong suction on this rug with that mode enabled. We can go back to eco. It's going to roll better, but not have as strong of suction on our runner right here. Now we have it on a really thick shag rug, so let's go ahead, let's fire it up. Here's eco mode. So you can see eco mode right here. Let's bring it up to our auto mode. And then let's go ahead, let's turn it up to turbo mode to try to pull the most dirt and debris and give us that strongest suction available for this shag rug right here. Then we'll go back to eco mode. Navigation is really nice and simple with this vacuum cleaner. So you can see we can use it to get to those hard to reach areas like under your dining room table. We can navigate pretty effortlessly around all these different obstacles. Really nice not having a cord to make that all possible, and a lot easier than a traditional vacuum cleaner. Really quick, I wanted to show you guys the HD screen right here. You can see we're currently in eco mode, 78% left. We can then switch it to auto mode if we want, and then we can also go up to that turbo mode right here. So very easy to see and tweak your settings. It's nice to have that battery status indicator life left so we can see how much juice we have left in our vacuum cleaner. We can cycle between two modes up here. So now we're in continuous cleaning mode. So that means we can just push the trigger once and the vacuum will stay running. So there we go, we push the trigger, it's running. We push it again, it shuts off. We can turn that off, and then you can see right here, the light goes off the screen too. Now we have to hold down the trigger while we're using the vacuum cleaner, and as soon as we let go, it's going to shut off right there. So we have those two modes we can adjust at the top and our three modes down at the bottom. Don't forget about all the great attachments we have with this vacuum cleaner. So we're going to use this attachment right now to clean our steps to get some of those hard to reach areas. This would also be good to use maybe around your baseboards, some hard to reach areas, maybe behind some furniture, under the couch, and you can take this to your car. This is cordless, so you could easily clean the interior of your car with this vacuum cleaner. Let's go ahead, let's try it out. So here we go, we're in eco mode right now. We have some stuff right there in the steps we're able to pick up. Let's give it some more power. So now we're in our medium mode, sometimes known as auto mode. And then for even stronger power, let's go ahead, let's bump it up. Here's turbo mode. So I just finished vacuuming my whole house with this vacuum cleaner. You can see we have a ton of gross dirt and debris in our canister right there that we're gonna empty out in this bowl so you guys can see everything that this vacuum cleaner is able to pick up. I have a dog in my house. We have a baby. So we just have a lot of dirt, dust, and debris. So we have a ton of it crammed in there. Oh, it's so gross. This is just one vacuum. Look at all that pet hair. Oh, it's so dusty and dirty. So we can get really fine dust and dirt. If you can see the bottom of the contents right there, we got some rocks, sticks, tons of dust. Look at all the pet hair. Some of my wife's hair is in there too. So it has really strong suction power to pick up all that fine dust, dirt, and debris, as well as larger items. We got some spinach leaves, some leaves from outside, some food scraps, tons of stuff you can see. Very filthy, very fine particles too. It's all over my hands now. But that's just one vacuum sweep through my whole house. You can see everything that we get right here. So again, we have a dog, we have a baby, and my wife and I live in the house. So there's 4 of us, so to speak. And this is just one-time cleaning with the vacuum. So overall, guys, after spending some time using the DreameTech T20 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, let me share with you guys my final thoughts. First, the things I really like about this vacuum cleaner come down to all the accessories that we get with it. Very versatile, great to clean just about anything from your house, cars, etc. You can get really creative with all of those attachments. The second thing, and it's my favorite feature of this vacuum cleaner, is the nice HD display. It is wonderful to be able to easily choose your cleaning modes and see your battery life percentage. It's so great to have that battery percentage built right in. Very useful and my favorite feature by far with this vacuum cleaner. I also like the design too. So it's really just an overall a nice complete vacuum cleaner kit if you're in the market for a cordless vacuum cleaner. But now let me share with you guys some of the things I'd like to see improve from this vacuum in the future after using it. So one is the battery life. They advertise 70 minutes for eco mode. When I was cleaning in just eco mode, I was averaging about 2% battery depletion per minute. So at 100%, at 2% lost per minute, that's gonna leave us with 50 minutes max just in eco mode. And let me tell you, a lot of times when you're using a vacuum cleaner, you're gonna vary the suction power and you're gonna wanna change the mode depending on what you're encountering. Maybe some thick carpet, a thick rug, a really dirty spot, and you want that extra suction power. Then you're gonna lose even more battery life even faster. So that being said, at the most, you could expect maybe around 50 minutes of real use if you're just cleaning in eco mode, but chances are you're gonna be using the other modes mixed in, so you're gonna get an even shorter battery life. I'm gonna guess somewhere between 20 and 50 minutes at the most, realistically, with cleaning, so just keep that in mind. For my house, it's plenty. I'll be able to get about 2 full cleans before I have to recharge it, so that's good enough for me. Honestly, it's gonna end up at the charger anyways after just about every use. So that's not a big deal. You should have enough juice to get you through one good full clean. But other than that, just take any additional time as a bonus. And the last feature that I really wish this vacuum cleaner had is built-in LED lights. That is one of my favorite features in vacuum cleaners. It just makes cleaning that much more effective, and it's such a useful feature to have in vacuum cleaners. Even if you have a bunch of light in your house, you never know, you're getting in the nooks and crannies, and it just gives you that extra light to be able to really see what you're cleaning. So that's definitely a feature that's missed on the T20 that I hope that maybe they can add in the future, whether it's an upgraded version of this model or a new model altogether. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.